You've probably seen those viral videos with Ronaldo and Messi on Instagram, right? One Instagram account got an unbelievable 96 million views on just one video in a matter of days. And that's not all, they gained a massive 600,000 followers on Instagram in less than 3 weeks just from these videos. Now what if I told you that this channel is using a unique style that hardly anyone else is trying? That means there's almost no competition on social media right now for this kind of content. This is your perfect chance to jump in early and potentially get millions of views for your own posts. And the best part? You can create these amazing videos for free using AI tools. Picture yourself scrolling through Instagram or TikTok. You see video after video, different creators doing different things, but nothing really grabs your attention. Then out of nowhere, a video pops up featuring Ronaldo and Messi. It looks so real. It's like they're having a conversation or doing something that you've never seen before. Suddenly you're hooked. Why? Because this isn't something you see every day. Everyone watching these videos stays until the end because they can't believe what they're seeing. That's how these videos climb the algorithm and rack up millions of views. You don't even have to stick with Ronaldo and Messi. You could create similar videos featuring LeBron James and Michael Jordan, or even Chris Brown and Rihanna. The key is to choose famous people icons that everyone knows and loves. Step 1, creating images with AI. Okay, is there a way to create celebrity images for free fast and then realistic? Let me give you an example. Normally I recommend Leonardo AI for this, but in this case, the images for Lionel Messi are great, but for Cristiano Ronaldo are the worst thing in humanity.
Oh my God, what is that?
So I went for the search for a perfect AI tool to create images for me, and there it is, Ideogram. Without talking too much, let me present you the power of Ideogram. Let's start the creating by typing in your first prompt. In this case, we want to create a story about Cristiano Ronaldo in the barbershop, but you can do whatever you want to create here, and be sure to choose the right aspect, ratio. Click generate and get some amazing images. They can be weird, but one of them will probably be fitting. If not, just try again for the story. We will need more images for a longer video. So you can also ask ChatGPT for some ideas and for prompts to be more specific in the details. Go to Ideogram and ask again to create some images for your story, like Messi coming in the barbershop or cutting Ronaldo's hair and arguing with Ronaldo. So now you have your images. Step 2, transforming into videos. All right, now let's tackle the big question. How do you transform an image into a video and do it for free? I've tested a lot of tools for this step, but most of them have 2 major issues. Either they take forever to process or they cost a small fortune. That's when I found Runway ML. In my opinion, this is probably the best AI tool for creating free videos from images. Here's how it works. First, take one of the images you've already created and upload it to Runway ML. Second, enter a simple prompt, for example. If you want a subtle animation, you can type something like subtle camera movement and also describe what the people are doing in the image. Like other tools, Runway ML transforms your image into a video in just a few seconds, no long waits. Crazy fees, just instant results. Now repeat this process for each image you've created, and before you know it, you'll have a full collection of raw video clips ready to go. Now step 3, create voices. You want to create a voice like me. Ronaldo or Messi takes your video to the next level. It makes it stand out from all the other content and grabs viewers' attention instantly. So how can you create these sound effects for completely free? Google and search for Finshare Ronaldo and Finshare Messi. You will be directed to a page where Ronaldo and Messi's voices have been cloned by AI. You can just type in any sentence into the box and get a sentence with Ronaldo's voice. You should stick to the story and make them fitting into specific scenes like Messi coming in the barbershop. It's that simple. You can create sound effects, iconic lines, or even funny dialogue between the two.
I am the GOAT.
Shut up, I won the World Cup, ha 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 ha.
Step 4, editing the final video. Now that we have every video voice effect and everything we need to edit the videos, let's go to CapCut. We will use this because it is free. Import everything you created from videos to voices. Now put every video you created next to each other so you will get a longer video around 30 seconds that will go viral. Now let's start perfecting our video. Click on sounds and choose sound effects from the CapCut library. Put in sound effects that fit to the video, like a door opening, or other sound effects that creates a more engaging video. Next, put in the voices that you created for your video on the right spots. These will make the video funny and catches the attention of the viewer. Now to make your video even more special, you can put in some effects for them. Go to the effects button of CapCut and choose one that you like. These will make the whole video look better. Last, use transitions to make the video smoother. Don't overuse them. Just use them to make the video stand out. And that's it. You can export and get your video of Messi and Ronaldo.
Hey, Ronaldo, let me touch your hair.
Messi, what did you do to my hair? Let me cut your hair now.
Of course, you can do any celebrity you want. This video is only to show you how to make these kind of videos.
There you go. There you have it. Your first ever AI generated short. Go give yourself a round of applause. This is a bigger milestone than you think. This is what ends up making people money online. But that can only be done if you put your head down and start now. Don't go skipping from video to video about ways to make money online, and stop crying and telling yourself how much of a loser you are. Now, since you've watched the video and understood the idea, go watch the video again and create your first AI video by following my steps step by step. Also, it's not just about video or 1 week. It's about having consistency and uploading high-quality videos every day. It might seem hard at first, but once you start making money, you will thank me for this. But maybe you don't want to create these animals matchups. Maybe you want to create something else. Don't worry, I've already uploaded 2 other videos teaching you guys how to make Disney Pixar animated shorts like these. But that's not it. I've uploaded a video teaching you how to create these motivational anime with very easy steps. Go watch the video so you don't miss out. Before we end the video, guys, I would really appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and share the video to your friends so they don't miss out. Yeah, guys, subscribe, because almost 70% of you guys who watch the videos don't subscribe. That's pretty much it. I'm leaving. Peace.